Welcome! In front of me I have ALCATEL One Touch Go watch, and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this device. To change the screen timeout duration on our watch, we need to open the One Touch Move app on our phone. Let's open it. In the app, we need to tap on this icon right here to open the device page for our Go watch. Let's wait until the watch is done syncing with our phone. And once it's done, you should see this page right here. Tap on the settings icon, then select the display option. And here we have the screen timeout option. And we can adjust the value by tapping on the plus or minus buttons. Set the duration to the value you want. Then you can go back like this and close the app if you want. And now my screen will turn off after the 30 seconds of inactivity, because I set it to 30 seconds. 30 seconds, my bad. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.